about to clean up. The Wi-Fi guy's supposed to come. So I'm gonna clean up, get the garbage out, figure out where to put the garbage because I don't know. Kind of just a mess right now, just stuff everywhere. My bed frame is supposed to be here yesterday, but it hasn't came yet, so hopefully it'll come in today. We can put that together. My closet is a mess too because I just threw all the dirty clothes on. I mean, clean clothes on the floor. They're not dirty, I just gotta put them up. Gotta organize and clean in here. Those are the dirty clothes. I don't know why my little mat isn't where it's supposed to be. But yeah, let's get to it.
'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, I've been working all day. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, I've been working all day.
That thing was very heavy. Lord have mercy. It better be a good bed. Okay? It better be sturdy. Back to wiping off my, you see on the garbage? I don't know where the garbage can is, so I don't know where to take it. Where did I put this towel? There it is. So all right.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. 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 Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard. But sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. But sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
I'm gonna wear purple tonight.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping.
It's gonna be
Don't
long.
ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
Okay, so I'm ready to go. Yeah, I'm ready to go to work. Have a very long night because I'm bedside and I have a test at 8:30 in the morning. I get off at 7:30, and I have yet to do my cram cards for it. They're just like flashcards that we have to turn in for homework, and it's a big chunk of our grade, so I have to fit in doing those cram cards while doing care. So that's gonna be fun. Hopefully they have me some good babies. And we're gonna head out. I'm gonna probably like give me a big old jug of water because I need to hydrate. Let me cut off Azzy. Well, that's not Azzy, but it was Azzy. It's so dark out. I didn't record any after that, but the night went by fast. Too fast because I never got done with those cram cards, and well, I never really got to study. One of the nurses was really nice, and she had my iPad, and she was like trying to do active recall with me. I think she helped just refresh some things, but I still failed the test. Not too hard on myself about it though, because like over half the class failed the test, so I'm gonna give myself that one. But next test, we're gonna go harder. But thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, comment, please share, and come back for the next video. Bye.
Yeah.